Good morning, everyone. I'm Nathaniel Lubrica from the University of the Cordilleras. I'll be presenting today the Upland Water Resource Management and Decision Support Systems. So, the Cordillera Administrative Region is known as the watershed cradle of the North, hosting rivers and groundwater resources. So, this was something recent here in the Cordilleras, particularly in La Trinidad. We do experience flooding events here, as well as you look at on the upper right, something during the typhoon Ompong in Bontoc Mountain Province, uh, in Chico River, resulting also to flood downstreams. So our mountain engineering problems also include the difficulty of tapping water supply because of the mountainous area. So we also use cable infrastructures. So the DILG data reveals the presence of waterless communities in the Philippines. And we have 10 in the Cordilleras, as well as LGUs lacking the technical competence in the design of the systems. So this inspired us to come up with the program Bundo, the establishment of Mountain Engineering Center here in CAR. And this was launched last June 8th. And we have 4 projects ranging from 2 to 3 years with a fund amounting to about 62 million, and counterpart funding from partners amounting to 30 million. So we have the following program objectives. The first one focuses in industrial competitiveness in the areas of agriculture, tourism, and mobility. And the second one is on social and human development. So for our socio-economic impact, this includes saving lives, increasing agricultural production, savings in infrastructure, as well as the promotion of resilient communities. So we have 4 projects under the program. The first one is on slope stability analysis by KSU, Canada State University. The second on cable supported water and transport infrastructure by St. Louis University. Upland River and Spring Water Assessment for the third one with the University of the Cordilleras, and the Artificial Groundwater Recharge Facility led by the WWR Arctic. So our program is distributed over the Cordillera Administrative Region. So I just want to report some updates in the different projects. We have here project 2 on, we have the schematic diagram for the cable support water infrastructure, as you can see here. And we have also project 3. Okay, water is a basic human right indeed. For project 3, focus indeed on water resources, talking about the river as well as the water resource monitoring systems and information systems. So we have the MOA signed by Mountain Province local government units and Bontoc. And also we conducted stakeholder analysis already. We have one of the elders in Bontoc stating that the issues on the management of the water resources. And we have Attorney Opal also, the LGUs, citing issues on ancestral lands, as well as the attitudes of the people, the stakeholder. engagement. So we had our visit on the three water resources in Bontoc, as well as river, visit on the river sites. So one of the sites takes actually an hour, or should I say not an hour, but takes 1 day to visit. About 10 almost half day. And we have here the following sites that were visited also on the rivers. So we took okay, we took drone shots, as well as we did remote sensing to understand the river morphology and current state. So for our spring monitoring system, we will install sensors to measure the following parameters and transmit it via SMS to our server towards the web portal, which is the decision support system. Likewise with the river, we will put sensors in the river, or aside from the sensor, we will do also actual measurements, then transmit it via SMS to our server towards the web portal, the decision support system. So we already have the UI, or the user interface of the web portal, as well as initial data loaded for the sensor monitoring. So we included also data from available from the government agencies and the local government units. So for project 4, we have 2 sites for the project in Nathaniel and also in Burnham Park. So these artificial groundwater recharge facilities are installed in urbanized areas to help the water table recharge, because the water table cannot recharge because of the presence of impermeable layers like concrete. You can see it here. So it will help also divert rainwater in the roof of certain buildings. So it will go to this facility down to the groundwater. So far, Project 4 has accomplished already fieldworks, as well as including the georesistivity survey and also interfacing with the local government units for the MOA. So we have student participation in our projects, both undergraduate and PhD students. And we have here different innovations on water supply in the University of the Cordilleras. Also, we have engaged faculty, and we're exploring potential partnership with other HEIs like the TIT and the FEU. Aside from this, we are also collaborating in helping Baguio City, assisting Baguio City as well on the smart flood warning and information and mitigation system, which we believe that has application also in our project, Program Bunto, as well as the Water Security Futures Laboratory of Baguio, so which we are engaged, and we are advocating the Upland water security. So here are the target water resource monitoring equipment that we will purchase. Okay. And that's it. In behalf of my team in the University of the Cordilleras, thank you very much.